price. Not all of it, of course, but I mean, it's a directionally, it gives you a signal. Naveen Kulkarni is with us as well. Naveen, good afternoon. Thanks for joining in. Asian Paints, quick word. And what does the stock do from here, in your opinion?
Yeah, so the numbers look weak to me. There is, of course, one exceptional item. Even if you were to adjust for that also, I can see that the numbers have missed our expectations. Going ahead, I believe that the margin should improve. Of course, input costs were down in the last quarter, but companies typically tend to have a good amount of inventory, at which I would say that would not have reflected in the previous quarter. In the upcoming quarter, there is a good chance that the gross margin should improve. But however, overall, the revenue decline is still a cause of concern. Volume growth is still sluggish at a couple of percentage points. So I believe there are a couple of more quarters where the challenges will remain. However, the base is getting to be softer. Maybe second half of next year is where I would say that second half of this year where I think the numbers will start looking better.
All right, and Naveen, just weigh in on this. The management says they're cautiously optimistic about a recovery in demand conditions, and they continue to work diligently on leveraging their brand strength. So some kind of commentary coming in there. So you believe that as of now, even at these valuations, you would not buy on it? You believe there's still a couple of quarters of pain, and then you'll review it fresh?
See, valuations are, of course, still not very cheap, right, in terms of the overall earnings, right? So this year, let's say they have done 40 rupees kind of an EPS, and stock is at close to around 2,400 rupees, so it's still 60 times earnings. Next year, if even they do 50 rupees, then also it will be more than 40 times earnings, right? So close to around 45, 46 times. So it's not very cheap per se. But having said that, if growth were to pick up, then of course valuations get justified very, very quickly. But growth should pick up. That is a very, very clear challenge that the company is facing. This company is used to delivering double-digit volume growth for years, consistently for a very long period. That has not happened. I think if things were to improve from here, I think the valuations will get justified.
Yeah. Absolutely, Naveen. Take that point completely. And in fact, thank you so much for joining in, Naveen and Prakash. Let's take this discussion forward, and of course, for the rest of the market commentary as well with Dilip Bhatt, founder of Pedigree Advisory. Dilip, great to have you on.